Hey folks! Here I am, Екатерина Пряникова. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creating some footage as requires some Python plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easy. On this video I will show all the button pressed. You can slow it down via YouTube player. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within Copilot menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section.